Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, we will check how we can enable the advance order. First, we will go to the settings from this profile. Right. Once we go to the settings, select on for the advance orders. Right now, it's on only. Update. Right now, we have to make sure that we each location also enable for the advance order. So go to the location, select your location name and set the on for the advance order. Right now you can set that default 30 days, so you can set how many days you want to take the advance order. So at like that you will see that option on the app, right? So now coming to the app, first you need to sync uh, because you made the changes on the admin panel. Once you sync that advance order, or you can log out and log in as well. So you will have that option at the time of a checkout, that which date or time you want to set this for the delivery or pickup. So we have two options. We will have two options. We will see that. Now coming to the delivery, see our delivery. Once you open the delivery, set the new order, not in this current orders. So tap on the new order and select the items. We will select this, right? Cupcake, and we select the three items, we remove that. Checkout, right? So here you will see order now, advance order, so pickup or delivery, how you want. So customer is going to pick up and delivery. Pickup and delivery will have different options for address will not be mandatory for the pickup, and delivery will have the mandatory address. So once you set the pickup, you will not need address for that, and delivery you will need address. Now let's set the date. Suppose customer is going to coming on 2 days after 16th, and let's select the timing. So here you can see pickup or delivery date time. Pickup, now we will set the delivery. Now suppose customer is paying nothing right now, zero. So you can set zero, or you can say pay later, right? So customer is now paying 70, and then you will see the customer details. Now let's close it. Now just suppose customer is paying everything also, or pay later, pay a partial amount, whatever the customer is going to pay, you can set the three options. Now let's say customer pay later and pay now. Now optional 70, right? The customer now select, ask the customer number. Once if that customer is in here, you will see the address. So now we have the address, so you can see that tax number if you want, GST or VAT number, note if you want to add any note for that customer, and the complete checkout. So once the complete checkout, your order is done. Your 70 rupees, 70 is paid, 140 is total bill. You will have the print, and there you will be, it will be mentioned that 40 rupees is 70 rupees is pending. And also end day option, you will see only 70. So now coming back to the delivery orders. Now suppose customer is coming back on 16th, so how you can close this order, go to the delivery orders, advance order. You will see that order number, ask the order number to the customer, and you can check that. See here, you will see uh, so here it was delivery order, so select the driver if you don't need it, then dispatch. So that order has been dispatched. You will see that 70 rupees is pending, right? So you will need to take the, now customer is paying using the other than cash, so delivered and set the Paytm and done. So this is how advance order will complete, right? You will see completed options. So this is how advance ordering will work, and you can see also advance orders on the admin panel. So you can track from the warehouse or your factories as well. You can see today it will be added like 70 rupees cash, 70 in Paytm. So here we can do the advance ordering. Hope you like the video. Ask me if you need anything. Thank you.